Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the microphone and permissions so Windows can hear you. Open Settings, go to Privacy, then Microphone, and make sure Word is allowed. Once done, focus your Word document and press Windows key plus H to start dictation. You'll see the dictation toolbar. Speak naturally and clearly, and use brief phrases for punctuation like comma or period. If Windows key plus H doesn't show the toolbar, open Speech Settings to enable online speech recognition first. Now refine input so Word translates speech correctly. You want a dedicated mic, USB, or headset placed close to your mouth. This reduces clipping and improves accuracy. Speak in short, deliberate phrases and say punctuation like comma, new line, or period so Word inserts correct symbols. Make sure background noise is low, close unnecessary apps, and move to a quiet spot. If you need accuracy for technical terms, pause and spell uncommon words. Word will learn frequent corrections over time. To end, press Windows key plus H again and proofread your text. Dictation captures intent but not perfect grammar, so edit with keyboard shortcuts for speed. If you see recurring misrecognitions, use Find and Replace or add custom autocorrect entries in Word. If dictation suddenly stops, make sure speech privacy is enabled. Restart Windows Speech Runtime in Services and update or reinstall your microphone drivers. One quick troubleshooting tip. Test dictation in the Windows 10 voice recorder to isolate whether the issue is hardware or word-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.